Hello, I'm Bob Allison, WB1GCM, here in the ARR Laboratories screen room. Let's take a look at the Acom A600S solid-state HF and 6-meter amplifier. Well, here we are looking at the back end of the A600S. Your RF input from your transceiver is here, RF output, a little bit of power in here, lots coming out of here. Your on-off switch, in addition to the switch on the front panel. Fuse holder, ground connection, always very important. This is your 4-speed muffin fan behind this filter. Filter helps keep the dust out. Your key in and key out lines. This is your RS-232 port. It gets the band information from your transceiver, so the amplifier will automatically switch bands with your transceiver. And of course the CAT line, and that's for remote control and monitoring. Let's turn it on. What really sets aside the Acom 600S is its screen and its push buttons. Gives you a lot of control and a lot of visuals here. Very quickly, we have the PA temperature here, your reflected power, your forward power across here as a bar meter, and your different operating conditions. Right now we're in auto operate. When you turn the unit on, it's already ready to go. No need to flip from standby to operate. So it tells you if you're receiving or transmitting, and there's a menu that you can get into here by pressing this button, and we can select the different parameters and then go into each one and select items such as user preferences, your CAT connection settings, your amplifier service record, any kind of faults. This menu will tell you what's going on with the amplifier, and we'll just exit right out of that. Now this amplifier has a lot of protection circuits. So it really saves you from getting into too much trouble and especially damage. We don't want that. One of the great protection circuits is, let's say I switch bands on the radio. First off, let's key the line here. And what we'll do is we'll get ready to transmit just a little bit of power. And there we go. Right now we're getting out to about 600 watts and with about 25 watts of drive power. Now let's say, oh, I'm going to change ham bands. I'll go over to my transceiver and I'm going to select 15 meters. Now I'll go to transmit again, and this thing will be all ready to go. I can switch modes so I get into the right mode over here on the transceiver. Here we go. Oh, it gives me a warning and it shut off, and that protected itself from damage. So I'll unkey the key line, key back up again, and now I'm ready to go on full power. The A600S is 600 watts, and that's helpful. That little extra boost of power will get you out a little bit further. And it's a good improvement over 100 watts. You get about a little bit more than an S unit improvement on the other end of the transmission. I'm Bob Allison, WB1GCM, here at the ARR Laboratory.